Hi everybody. I think I'm recording. Let's see. Okay, it is. All right. This should be our last week together, I think. The next week we only have 3 days if I have my days right, and we won't be doing anything. We'll probably get together and chat, make sure everybody's ready, talk about the summer and things you can do, and just move on with it. Um, Here we go. Last time you guys have to do this for a little while, unless you're doing summer school. Our story is called Growing Food at Home. So, growing is a big keyword. Okay, growing. Okay, a lot of people have gardens in their backyards. Okay, and they grow vegetables and fruits. They have plants. Okay, you need seeds. Okay, a lot of people start growing in the spring to make food. So these are all big keywords. Um, we were actually going to start a garden at school this spring in the courtyard. If you parents, you might not know, but we got the courtyard cleaned out finally. It's still not where it needs to be, but we finally got them to take this playground down that was out there that was just disgusting. And we got donated three really nice picnic tables and umbrellas. And we were going to start a garden out there this spring and try to keep up with it so the kids can start growing their own things. So we asked if we could get over there and start. They suggested we not because no one's supposed to be on in school grounds even though we're outside. And so we won't be able to, but hopefully next year we'll be able to do that. So it still could happen, but yeah. So kids, pay attention to this story because some of these things we'll be doing at school next year. All right. Our what? Growing food at home. Many people grow food at home. Most people start growing food in spring. Okay, so right about now, a lot of people are starting. You can you grow food in the winter? Think about that question because I might ask you that later and why you might not be able to grow food in winter. The weather becomes warmer in spring. This spring, more people want to grow food. People are staying home because of the coronavirus. They want to stay away from the crowds. People want to go to the grocery stores less often. People want to grow food at home instead. Growing food can be fun. So, a lot of the problem with the grocery stores, especially with like your fresh fruits and veggies, is you don't know who's touched it. If they've coughed on it, they're not packaged. A lot of times, if they're fresh. And so, people are very concerned about that. So, a lot of people are buying the seeds and things, plants, and growing their own fresh fruits and vegetables at home. Sounds great. Not for me. Do any of you guys do that? Let me know if you do, because I think it's really cool. But I'm not very good at that. My mother and my grandmother both do. They grow like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, things like that at home. Okay, first, people choose places to grow food. Many people grow food in gardens. The gardens may be in backyards, although you don't have to have it in your backyard. You can have it wherever you want. Some people grow food in pots. The pots may be on windowsills or porches. People choose the kinds of foods to grow. People may grow vegetables like green beans, corn, peppers, carrots, and spinach. People may grow fruits like blueberries, watermelon, raspberries, strawberries, and grapes. I've never seen people grow grapes. People buy seeds to grow the food. They put the seeds into dirt. People pour water onto the seeds. The seeds become plants. The food grows on the plants. So you see that process. You got to have seeds to start. Okay, you can find seeds at the stores for all kinds of stuff if you go in the garden section. They're probably inside too, but that's where I always look. Okay, you have to have dirt. You have to find the right dirt. Again, you can buy a pot and buy your own soil and do it that way. Water is super important. That's why when there's not a lot of rain, the farmers have to go out and water their land a lot, or their crop, as they would call it, will die. Okay, seeds become the plants, and the plants grow the food. People must wait for the food to become ripe. So if you've ever gone to the store and seen a green banana, it's not good. Okay, that means it's fresh, but it has to become ripe. Okay, ripe means the food is ready to eat. People pick the ripe food. So you'll go out, and when you see that your banana is yellow, it's ready to eat, you pick it up. Otherwise, you leave it out there on the plant. Sometimes people eat the food right away. Sometimes they freeze the food to eat later. So if you've ever seen, a lot of people will freeze. We freeze meat. If there's a good sale on meat, we'll grab quite a bit of it and then we freeze it so that we have it, and meat can stay frozen for a while. Don't ask me the exact. That'd be my husband, but I know that it can stay frozen for a long time. And then you can pull it out and thaw it when you want to eat it. And I think that's the same exact for vegetables and fruits. People may use the food to make recipes. We all love to cook. Someone may use vegetables to make a sandwich, a salad, or soup. Someone may use fruits to make a smoothie, a fruit salad, or pie. Many people are growing food at home. People are growing food in gardens and pots. The food includes vegetables and fruits. Anyone can grow food. Would you like to grow food? So tell me, and it's going to be in your writing this week. Do you have a garden? Would you like to have a garden? And if you did, what would you think would be good to grow? So those are going to be the questions I'm going to ask you to submit on your writing. All right, and I threw the recipe on here. This one's pretty simple, but I'm not sure if you'll have all this in your house. So it's just a vegetable and fruit salad. Okay, so you have a coleslaw mix or any kind of lettuce, apples, so that's your fruit, a vegetable, a pepper, a vegetable, an onion, and a cranberry of fruit. Okay, they have a coleslaw dressing, a bowl, and a spoon. You guys can substitute any of this. So if you don't have an apple and you want to put grapes, I like grapes in my salad. You could do that, or strawberries. Okay, so just some fruits and veggies in a salad. Mix it up. It's not much cooking, but it's pretty simple. If you guys want to do that, let me know you did it. Send me a picture. Okay, and that's it for this week. So pretty simple. If we were at school, we would do a lot more fun stuff with this, and we would go out and actually try to plant some stuff and watch it grow. So again, kind of stinks, but if you guys are out at a store and you want to grab some seeds and see if it works, be a good thing for you guys to do with your parents this summer. So that's all. Have a good day. Last week. Enjoy it, and I love you guys, and I will see you soon.